Alawalu, Alakiru, Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé. Èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́.
You want to stop monitoring spirits. You want to remove curse placed on you, either from your father's side or from your mother's side. You want to stop them to monitor your life. If they don't want to listen or they don't want to leave you alone, believe me, ilẹ̀ máa mú wọn. Ilẹ̀ máa mú àwọn ọ̀tá yín. By the grace of Almighty God, if they don't want to leave you alone, they don't want to leave you alone, they don't want you to let go, believe me, you will send them to early grave. They don't want to leave you alone, always monitoring your life. You travel from one country to another, they have been looking for you, following you from one place to another. They are monitoring your life, either from your father's side or from your mother's side. Believe me, when you try this thing, they will stop following you by the grace of Almighty God. And if they don't want to listen, they don't want you to let go. Believe me, they will regret it. You can do this. It's very simple and very, very effective. You don't need roots. You don't need leaf. No, you don't need alligator pepper. What you need is sand. Are you with me? What you need is sand. That is why I always advise people. There's a one prayer we used to do with salt. Maybe if you are not, if you want to travel to another country, the first thing you are going to do when you get to that place, the first 7 days, I'm not going there today, but by the grace of Almighty God, in my next video, I will explain how to do that. You are going to take the sand of that country. There is what you can do with that sand, and you throw the sand away after the prayer. But I'm not going there today. What I want to teach today is how to use sand to stop every evil spirit monitoring your life. Believe me, it works perfectly. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Winje. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips to help your spiritual life. And if any of my contents are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of these videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, it's very important. Please don't forget to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. It's very important. Please follow my instruction. Don't do it on your own. Follow my instruction. If you want to get a good result, and you must apply faith, because your faith is highly needed. Are you with me? So how to use this sand? If you want to stop evil spirits monitoring your life, you want to stop them maybe from your father's side or from your mother's side. So this is what you are going to do. If you are any part of anywhere in the country, anywhere, just take a sand. You can take it handful, it's okay, you understand. You take it, you put the sand in a plastic rubber. If you are in Nigeria, take anywhere, any sand, just take it. Make sure that you get it enough, like a handful is okay. put it in a plastic rubber. If you're not in Nigeria, anywhere, just take a sand and put it in a plastic rubber. You will not add enough of water to it. This water, you are going to keep it for 3 days. Are you with me? The water, you are going to keep it for 3 days. If you do it on Monday around 1 o'clock, on Tuesday is 1 day, which means 24 hours make 1 day. If you do it on Monday, don't count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, you are going to end it on Thursday. Are you with me? So that is simple as ABC. You understand? On that third, you will filter the water. You can use something like, there's one thing we call aseye. So you use it to filter the water. You remove the sand, you throw it away. You don't have anything to do with the sand again. Let it go and return it to the nature. Then this water, you are going to boil it. Boil it at least for 30 minutes. Then after the boiling, do not add any other water to it. Please follow my instruction. Do not add any other water to it. So when you boil this water, after 30 minutes, then remove the water, go and keep it somewhere. Allow it to cool. Are you with me? Then what are you going to do with this water? Before you sleep in the night, then you now add 1 spoon of salt to it. Add it to it. You don't need to say anything, but you can pray. If you're a Muslim, you pray the way you always do. You understand? If you're a Christian, pray. Make sure that you say something before you use this water. Then use this water to bathe every part of your body. Believe me, when you do this tip, that very night, you are going to have a wonderful dream. You must share me your dream. If you understand your dream, please do not share the dream with anyone. It's very important. Are you with me? That is how to do it. It's very simple as ABC. If you really like this video, you love it, please don't forget to like, drop comments, share my video. By the grace of Almighty God, we share me a good testimony. Èyí tí mo bára sọ́nà ni bí a ṣe ń lo iyẹ̀pẹ̀ ìlú tá a bá wà láti lè fi ṣẹ́gun ogun ẹ̀mí òkùnkùn tí wọ́n mọ́nítọ̀ ìgbésí ayé wa, láti lè jẹ́ kí wọ́n kúrò lẹ́yìn wa tí wọ́n bá sì gbọ́ nǹkan burúkú sáwọn ọ̀tá wa. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ lórí iṣẹ́ yìí, àmọ́ iṣẹ́ yìí máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ bí ìṣẹ́gun. Iṣẹ́ yìí máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún láti lé ibi dànù. Iṣẹ́ máa ń wẹ èpè, bóyá ti ìdílé ìyá ni o tàbí ìdílé bàbá. Mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, mo sọ pé àwọn ọkùnrin a ní láti máa tọ́jú ara wa. Ìyàwó tó fẹ́, òun náà lógún tiẹ̀ tó ń gbé bọ̀, àmọ́ tó bá ti dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, bùkátà ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ti kó lé ẹ lọ́wọ́. Kí n tún wá ní bùkátà náà? Bùkátà pọ̀. Bá ṣe dáadáa náà láti rí aburú. Yóò kó lé ẹ lórí ni. Ó ní ogún ọkùnrin máa fi ń pọ̀ ju tóbìnrin lọ. A kó lé ẹ lórí ni. Out of 100% ogun tó ń kó bọ̀, ó máa fún ẹ ní 75%. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ìwọ tó wá jọ́kùnrin ni kò múra. Bí ẹnìkan tó wá bá mi jọ́kàn tó ní kò sí nǹkan kan, wàhálà ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé, nǹkan kan ṣàlàyé lọ́lọ́tún lósì. Mo wá wò, mo wá ní, wo ìyàwó méjì lóní, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yẹ. Àwọn tó bí Johnson obìnrin ni wọ́n. Ó ní láti máa múra gidi, nítorí pé má jẹ́ kí n parọ́ fún ẹ. Ibi tí ẹnìkan ti ń pariwo pé tòun ti bàjẹ́, ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ti pariwo tóun dá o. Àwọn obìnrin mélòó wà tó jẹ́ pé oore ni wàá kó fún yàn. Àwọn méjèèjì wà tó jẹ́ pé ní èyí tó ń gbé bọ́ǹdì lé wọn gan ni wàá gbé bá ìwọ ọkùnrin lòdì dúró. Àní dààmú lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ṣé rí eléyìí tá a bá ti wá ṣe? Yẹ̀pẹ̀ bí tá a bá wà náà ni, jẹ́ ká bu ẹ̀kọ́ wọ̀ kan ká dànù pọ́kẹ́tì, ká domi tó bá tó wá wẹ̀lé, jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́ fọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta. Ó dá mi lójú pé gbogbo amọ̀ bá ṣe máa ń ka ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. 24 hours make 1 day. Tá a bá ṣe ní ọjọ́ Monday láago kan, ọjọ́ Tuesday aago kan, ló pé ọjọ́ kan o. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká mọ̀ sí mistake yẹn. Tó bá ti wá pé ọjọ́ kẹta, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ká dá yẹ̀pẹ̀ yẹn nù. Ní nǹkan ṣe nǹkan yẹn mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wọ́n mú mi ó kú dáadáa fún bí 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, ẹ gbé kalẹ̀. Tá a bá ti gbé kalẹ̀ tó bá ti tutù, ẹ buyọ̀ síbì kan sí. Ẹ gbé wọnú bedroom, ẹ ṣàdúrà sí nǹkan tẹ́ ń fẹ́, nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ lórí àwọn ọ̀tá yín. Gbogbo ọ̀tá tó bá mọ́nítọ̀ gbèsè ara yín, ibi tẹ́ ẹ bẹ́ tí ń lo kíní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n sì mọ̀ kú, wọ́n sì padà lẹ́yìn yín. Ẹ̀yin lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ṣé tá a bá ti wá lò tán, ẹ wò ó, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹ má jẹ́ ká nura, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ bọ́ sábẹ́ fan ká sùn. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ṣé rí ohun tá a bá sùn jọ yẹn, á lálàá, alágídí la máa lá, a máa ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá wa. lágbára ọ̀nà èmi náà ṣe gun ọ̀tá mi èyí tí mo mú wá tó yẹ kó wà very interesting ó sì wà nù nǹkan tẹ́ ń wá tí ẹ sì ti rí gbìyànjú láti like ẹ drop comment kódà kẹ́ sọ pé thank you bàbá Ewéńjẹ o mo like yìí o tí bá ti rí ó máa ń wù mí o bí kẹ́mi náà lásójú ní o ẹ bá wa appreciate wa àwọn tó wo fídíò wa wọ́n pọ̀ ju àwọn tó ń ṣe lọ tí ẹ bá dẹ̀ ti múnú wá dùn wọ́n ní orí inú dòdò ló mórí yá àmọ́ yẹ àwọn nǹkan mìíràn jẹ́ pé mo máa ń wò pé ṣé kí n sọ orú nǹkan yìí online wàláì àmọ́ tí a bá ti ń rí i pé bí àwa náà bá ṣe pẹ̀lú àwa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ náà a máa appreciate yín mo sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń like fídíò wa gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń comment gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń like ojú ò ní tì yín o ojú ò ní tì yín lágbára Ọlọ́run àṣírí yín ò ní tú lágbára Ọlọ́run ọwọ́ tẹ́ fi wọ́n like fídíò wa àwọn ẹlòmíì kan wà tó jẹ́ pé àmọ́yé irúkọ̀ tí mo máa ń receive láwọn sọ pé ní bàbá gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ yìí àì lè ṣe àmọ́ àmọ́ ń fẹ́ gbọ́ kódà ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu yẹn ń gbà mí kódà nǹkan tẹ́ mọ́ ń ṣàlàyé fún wa ó tún máa motivate wa ó tún máa láì tí ì ṣe nǹkan yẹn gan a máa mọ̀ pé ìdè gan ti ń já wàláhì bó ṣe rí nìyẹn Ọlọ́run ní dá wa láàmú gbogbo tẹ́ wọn like fídíò wa Ọlọ́run ní kọjá máa ṣe sí ní fọwọ́ yẹn ní fi gbogbo ṣe gbogbo yẹn olólùfẹ́ gbogbo yẹn ní onírànlọ́wọ́ gbogbo yẹn aláàánú Ọlọ́run àbámi ṣàánú yẹn agbára Ọlọ́run èmi náà lọ́mọ yẹn àbúrò yẹn olólùfẹ́ yẹn Dr. Mutiu láti gbé ìtàní màsí wẹ́ńjẹ́ èyí tó bá dìgbà mi àtọmọ́rọ̀ mi tọdún yàtọ̀ sílé wa ẹ̀wọ̀n gbàgbé láti subscribe sí ètò kílẹ̀ kó fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lọ́wọ́ kan nípa ìsàlẹ̀.
lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba Ewéńjẹ lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba Ewéńjẹ ewé ajẹ́ Ewéńjẹ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jáde gbọ́ Ewéńjẹ Ewéńjẹ. àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ rí náà àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ kó fàyà kú Ọlọ́run ọba Ewéńjẹ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágọ̀ kò lè mọye tán tágọ̀ bó bá dọ̀jà jẹ́ ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò.